You really put your gear on? I thought we squidded. What is good, guys? We're gonna go to Jesse's house and he's gonna ride his first SuperBike. He recently just got his license, but doesn't have a bike yet. So, man, it feels good, squid. Hello. What?
You got a race pipe on this?
Yeah, the
Yoshi?
Yeah, bro. Jake always late, bro. This is Jaden. It says he just turned 21. The buff guy over here. This dude benches 320, bro. I'm gonna park in the shade. It's too hot. You really put your gear on? I thought we squidded. All right, Jesse, let's go, dude. I'm still full, dude. Your tires are ashy?
Yeah.
I'm getting dark.
That's your helmet?
Yeah. What are we doing over here, dude? We gonna ride or are we just gonna talk about it?
Behind you.
Oh, for sure, dude. Right here, though. You gotta sit up here.
Oh, no. You're recording, right?
Yeah.
Wow, delete that.
Alright, dude, are you gonna sit on the bike or what, dude?
Are you gonna go? You gonna lead him, or are you gonna go in the back?
No, I'm following him. Careful. Careful. There you go, Jess. Nice, nice. What? Just make a left. I'm following you. No. Ah! Ah! Why are you shifting up so much? Why are you shifting up so much? You gotta give him more throttle, dude. Yeah, I don't think he's in first gear. Yo, he almost fucking went through. Did you see him? He almost hit the sidewalk over here. Oh, 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 oh. Nope. Stop. Are you in first gear? Just stay on first gear. Wait, what?
What'd you say earlier?
I said stay in first gear.
Go whole way?
Yeah, I mean, you're not going fast. That's why you're stalling out. What?
Don't tell Jacob.
Yo, car. You need to give it more gas. What the f? He dropped it. What is that? What is that?
Do I have
chicken
legs? Still?
Do you think you have chicken legs?
Legs. Tell me he has nice legs.
I'm putting that in the vlog, bro. Where'd Jesse go?
Can you record? Can I record you?
How do they feel?
That was pretty tough.
Look at this Moto.
It's mine now.
You're listening to Miracle Nights.
Miracle Nights? Yo, you know that song?
What?
Miracle Nights?
Yeah.
Shut up, bro. Nah, bro. By who?
Miracle Night? I forgot.
Quit lying.
Song.
Quit lying.
It's a sim song. Yeah.
It's gonna manual car. Yeah, it's easier.
I want a straight bike.
Alright, now you gotta buy a bike, dude.
It's just the low speed shit is the hard part for me. Like stop and start, and then after you stop, and then go because it takes you long to go after I stop. It's just practice.
Time to go get you a bike.
And then 0 down.
What is this?
You get a nice bike, bro. Dude, I see a lot of people have that now.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Bro.
Yeah.
It's only 5, bro.
Where are you going?
See baby girl. Later, dude. Ride safe.
See you, bro.
Later, dude.